It's March 24th, 2024. The garden has finally been cleaned up, and here you can see asparagus has started to sprout. There's a few more little sprouts. You can see there's one more here and this other one. These are all the purple variety. And then rhubarb looks pretty much the same. And then over here we have the blueberry. You can see the buds are opening now. These buds over here are going to be blueberry flowers. And then over here is the lavender. You can see new leaves are forming. And the peony, lots of new sprouts. Hopefully we'll get lots of flowers this year. And the pineapple is still getting bigger.